Well, hello Leos, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading for the month of January 2022. And how I do these readings, I'll tell you. First, I'll be looking at the first half of the month for you, then the remaining half of the month. And then we will look at your career and relationships separately. Okay? And we'll also look at an advice with the help of runes. Okay, so let us begin. Let's see. First 15 days of January for Leos. First 15 days of January for Leos. Ooh, TikTok. About marriage. Some decision. Okay, one more before I say anything. Okay, there's a high possibility of the talks of marriage. Alright, I'm also picking up that this will be very unexpected. Okay, and I feel somewhere you want something and you will be taking steps to make it happen or something like that. And this is to do with commitment, because a leg up is, a leg up is a card of commitment. So yeah, it is to do with some kind of a commitment, some kind of a relationship, which is important for you. Okay, so yeah, I see that movement happening in the first 15 days of January. Okay, so yeah. First half of January looks like discussions about something which you want, and I think this is around commitment. Let me see the remaining 15 days of January for Leos. Remaining 15 days of January for Leos. Mending. Observer. So no action happening as such. I think discussions happening, but nothing as such happening at that front. Nothing as such happening at that front. So, what I am picking up from here is that I don't know whether you're reaching a decision in regards to this particular situation, but overall what I pick from here is that if you land up in something, okay, if you land up in a place where, okay, there's no decision made, you're still there. So there are discussions happening, but it's not reaching anywhere, although you're happy. Now, okay, my question is, if you're happy, then why get into these kind of unhealthy discussions? Because I won't say unhealthy, but yeah, it'll just complicate things between two people is what I'm picking up. Okay? So you got to just wait it out. See where and which direction is this moving, because sometimes patience is what plays a very important role over here. Okay? Now, having said that, now let's look at how does your career look like in the month of January, Leos. Your career for the month of January, Leos. Your career for the month of January, Leos. Knight of Pentacles, Page of Cups, the High Priestess. Okay, so here what I pick is that things will be slow, but I see that you have faith. Maybe even if you start a project, you have faith in that project. You want to do that project. Okay, I'm seeing that you want to take things forward. But somewhere I pick up that things will not be moving as per your pace, but still you're not losing hope. So you intuitively are very connected to this cause. Whatever you're working for, you're really connected to it. And you really want things to work out in this space for you. Okay? So career-wise, things look very nice to me. I mean, your faith is good. Whatever it is giving you is good. And it's just giving you the mental freedom to do things, which is a nice thing. Okay? Now, let me see your relationships for the month of January 2022, Leos. Relationships for January 2022. Relationships for January 2022, the Lovers, 10 of Swords, 5 of Cups, Knight of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. Okay, I feel that you want something. Maybe you want a particular bond which you're not getting. Maybe a marriage or maybe something around those lines, but you're not getting that. The advice to you is that don't be in a hurry to get things done. Don't. Because here what I'm picking up is that you both really want something. I mean, I'm seeing you already in a relationship. But what you're asking for will move slowly towards that direction. And honestly, with the cards and everything that I see here, I don't think there is a rush in doing things. I don't think there is too much of a rush to do what you're actually looking for. But I don't know what is putting you in a rush. Maybe your insecurities. Maybe someone else inflicting insecurities. All those things. Okay? So now let's look at what is the advice from the runes for you. Who? Okay, so this is quite linked. The advice is it doesn't have to be as per, so it doesn't have to be by the book always, Leos, okay? I know that you want something, I can see that, but it doesn't really have to be in the way you have visualized certain things. It can be different. Your way of living doesn't have to match with anyone else. It can be different. Okay? So here I am pretty much seeing that things are very much okay on a deeper level, on the surface level, because if you are asked, you're probably complicating things a bit. Okay? That is what I'm seeing for you guys, Leos. Okay? So yeah, the advice is don't try to look at things in the way someone else wants you to picturize. I'm picking that vibe up, which is why I'm saying. Okay? Alright guys, so this is what I have. Private readings are open and runes readings are also open, so you can check that out. And let me know in the comments if this reading resonated with you. I'd really like to know. Alright? Take care and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.